Hello and welcome to Real English Daily.
We are so happy to see you here today.
Are you ready to learn some new English words?
Today we have a very useful topic for you.
We are going to talk about shopping for food.
Yes, going to the supermarket is something we all do.
You will hear many simple conversations about buying groceries.
This will help you speak better English in daily life.
Before we start, please subscribe to our channel.
And do not forget to like this video.
It really helps us make more videos for you.
So, get a notebook and a pen.
You can listen and repeat the sentences.
Are you ready to go to the supermarket with us?
Let us start the lesson right now.
Here we go.
Situation 1. Making a shopping list.
Let us listen.
We need to go to the supermarket today.
Oh, really? Is the fridge empty?
Yes, we do not have much food left.
Let us make a shopping list first.
Good idea. What do we need for breakfast?
We need some eggs and milk.
Do we need bread?
Yes, we only have one slice of bread left.
Okay, I will write down eggs, milk, and bread.
What about lunch and dinner?
We can buy some chicken and rice.
That sounds good. Do we need vegetables?
Yes, let us buy carrots and tomatoes.
I really want some fruit too.
What kind of fruit do you want?
I want some apples and bananas.
Okay, apples and bananas are on the list.
Do we need anything to drink?
Maybe some orange juice.
Perfect. Is the list ready now?
Let me look at the paper again.
Did we forget anything important?
I think we have everything we need.
Let us take the bags and go.
Yes, the supermarket is not far.
We can walk there in 10 minutes.
That is a great idea. Situation 2. Getting a shopping cart.
Let us listen.
We are finally at the supermarket.
Wow, there are a lot of people here today.
Yes, it is Saturday morning.
Do we need a basket or a cart?
We have a long list. We need a cart.
Where are the shopping carts?
I think they are near the door.
Oh, I see them over there.
Can you go and get one, please?
Wait, I need a coin to unlock the cart.
Do you have a coin in your pocket?
Let me check my wallet.
I hope you have one.
No, I only have paper money.
Oh no, I will look in my bag.
Did you find a coin?
Yes, here is a coin for the cart.
Thank you. I will unlock it now.
Is the cart clean?
It looks a little bit dirty.
There are some paper towels here.
I will clean the handle of the cart.
That is very good. Now we can shop.
Where should we go first?
Let us go to the fruit and vegetable section.
Okay, follow me.
Do not walk too fast. Situation 3. Buying fresh fruits.
Let us listen.
Look at all these beautiful fruits.
They look very fresh today.
What did we put on our list?
We wrote down apples and bananas.
Let us get the apples first.
Do you want red apples or green apples?
I like red apples. They are very sweet.
Okay, how many apples do we need?
Let us buy 6 red apples.
I will put them in a plastic bag.
Make sure they have no bad spots.
These apples look perfect.
Great. Now we need some bananas.
The bananas are over here.
Do you want yellow ones or green ones?
Let us get some yellow ones. We can eat them today.
Here is a nice bunch of bananas.
They look very tasty.
Should we buy any other fruit?
Look, the oranges are on sale.
Really? How much are they?
They are only $2 a kilo.
That is very cheap. Let us buy some.
I will pick 4 big oranges.
Good. Put them in the cart, please.
The fruit shopping is done.
Now we need to find the vegetables. Situation 4. Choosing vegetables.
Let us listen.
The vegetables are right next to the fruits.
Let me check the shopping list again.
We need tomatoes and carrots.
Look at these big red tomatoes.
They are nice, but I want the small ones.
You mean the cherry tomatoes?
Yes, they are better for salads.
Okay, I will grab a box of cherry tomatoes.
Thank you. Now we need some carrots.
The carrots are on the bottom shelf.
Can you pass me a bag of carrots?
Here you go.
Do we need anything else for the salad?
Maybe we should buy a cucumber.
That is a good idea. I love cucumbers.
Here is a very fresh cucumber.
Oh, and we need some onions too.
Do you want red onions or white onions?
Red onions are good for salad.
I will take 3 red onions.
Put them in a small bag, please.
Done. What is next on the list?
We have all the vegetables we need.
The cart is getting a little heavy.
We still have more things to buy.
Let us keep going.
Yes, let us go find the bread. Situation 5. Looking for bread.
Let us listen.
Where is the bakery section?
I think it is at the back of the store.
Oh, I smell fresh bread.
Me too. It smells so good.
Let us walk over there.
Look at all this bread. Which one do we want?
We need bread for toast in the morning.
Should we buy white bread or brown bread?
Brown bread is healthier. Let us get that.
Okay, here is a loaf of brown bread.
Is it soft?
Let me touch it gently. Yes, it is very soft.
Good. Put it in the cart.
Do you want to buy some sweet buns?
Maybe just 2 chocolate buns.
I love chocolate buns.
I will pick 2 from the basket.
We should also get some flatbread.
Why do we need flatbread?
We can eat it with soup for dinner.
That is a good idea. Take a small pack.
Alright, I have the flatbread.
The bakery section always makes me hungry.
We need to finish shopping before we can eat.
You are right. Let us check the list again.
Next, we need milk and eggs.
Let us go to the dairy section. Situation 6. Buying milk and dairy.
Let us listen.
It is really cold in this aisle.
Yes, the dairy section is always cold.
We need to buy a carton of milk.
Do we need full-fat milk or low-fat milk?
Let us get the low-fat milk.
Okay, here is a big carton.
Please check the date on the top.
Let me see. The date is good for 2 weeks.
Perfect. Now we need some eggs.
The eggs are right across from the milk.
Let us buy a box of 12 eggs.
Here is a box. Should I open it?
Yes, open it to check the eggs.
Why do I need to check them?
Sometimes the eggs are broken.
Ah, I understand. Let me look.
Are they all okay?
Yes, none of the eggs are broken.
Good. Put the box carefully in the cart.
Do we need any butter or cheese?
Oh, yes. I forgot to write down cheese.
What kind of cheese do you like?
I want some yellow cheddar cheese.
Here is a nice block of cheddar cheese.
Put that in the cart too.
The cold air is making me freeze.
Let us leave this aisle now. Situation 7. Finding the meat section.
Let us listen.
We need to buy some chicken for dinner.
I see the meat section over there.
Let us go see what they have.
Do you want a whole chicken or just parts?
I think chicken breasts are the best.
They are very easy to cook.
Yes, we can fry them in a pan.
Here are the chicken breasts.
How many do we need?
I think a pack of 4 is enough.
Yes, we can eat 2 today and 2 tomorrow.
Let me check the price. It is $10.
That is a fair price. Put it in the cart.
Do we need any beef or pork?
No, we only wrote chicken on the list.
Wait, look at these hot dogs.
Do you want to buy hot dogs?
Yes, they are great for a quick lunch.
Okay, you can pick 1 pack of hot dogs.
Thank you. I am so happy.
Just make sure they are not too expensive.
They are only $3.
That is fine. Is there anything else here?
I do not think so. Our list is getting shorter.
Yes, we only have a few more things to get.
What is the next item?
Let us find some snacks for tonight. Situation 8. Picking snacks for a movie.
Let us listen.
We are going to watch a movie tonight.
We definitely need some snacks for the movie.
Let us walk down the snack aisle.
Wow, there are so many chips here.
What flavor of chips do you want?
I really like potato chips with salt.
I prefer cheese flavor chips.
Let us buy 1 bag of each.
Okay, here is your salt chips.
And here is a bag of cheese chips for you.
Do you want some popcorn too?
Yes, popcorn is perfect for movies.
Do we buy ready popcorn or microwave popcorn?
Microwave popcorn is better. It is hot.
Let me find a box of microwave popcorn.
I see it. It is on the top shelf.
Can you reach it for me?
Yes, I am tall enough. Here you go.
Should we buy some chocolate?
Let us buy a big bar of dark chocolate.
That sounds delicious.
I think we have enough snacks now.
Yes, we should not eat too much junk food.
You are right. It is not very healthy.
But it is fun for a movie night.
Absolutely. What is next?
We need to get some drinks. Situation 9. Looking for drinks.
Let us listen.
The drink aisle is the next one over.
Let us push the cart over there.
We need to buy some orange juice.
Look at all the different juices.
I want orange juice with no extra sugar.
Here is a bottle of natural orange juice.
Let me read the label on the back.
Does it have any sugar added?
No, it says 100% juice.
That is exactly what we want.
Please put 2 bottles in the cart.
Do we need any sparkling water?
Yes, I like to drink sparkling water with lunch.
Let us get a 6-pack of water.
The 6-pack is quite heavy.
I can lift it. Do not worry.
Put it on the bottom of the shopping cart.
Good idea. It fits perfectly down here.
Do you want any soda?
No, soda is too sweet for me today.
I am glad. Water and juice are much better.
Do we need coffee or tea?
We still have a lot of coffee at home.
Then we are done with the drinks.
Let me look at our shopping list again.
Are we almost finished?
We just need to check a price on something. Situation 10. Checking a price.
Let us listen.
I want to buy a new bottle of olive oil.
The oil is in the next aisle. Let us go.
Here is the olive oil section.
There are so many bottles here.
I want this big bottle from Italy.
How much does it cost?
I do not know. There is no price tag on the shelf.
Are you sure? Let me look closely.
I do not see a sticker on the bottle either.
We should find a price scanner.
Is there a price scanner near here?
Yes, I see a red scanner on the wall over there.
Let us take the bottle to the scanner.
Okay, you hold the bottle under the red light.
I am scanning the barcode now.
Did it beep?
Yes, it beeped. Look at the screen.
It says $15.
Wow, $15 is a lot of money for oil.
Yes, it is quite expensive.
Let us find a smaller bottle.
Here is a smaller bottle for $7.
That is much better for our budget.
I will put the big bottle back on the shelf.
And put the small bottle in our cart.
Checking the price was a good idea.
Yes, I do not like surprises at the checkout. Situation 11. Finding a missing item.
Let us listen.
I am looking at the list. We need rice.
I thought we put rice in the cart already.
No, I only see the flatbread and the buns.
Oh, you are right. We forgot the rice.
Which aisle has the rice?
Let me look at the signs above the aisles.
The signs are very helpful.
Aisle 4 says pasta, beans, and soup.
Aisle 5 says baking and spices.
Look, aisle 6 says rice and grains.
Let us go to aisle 6 then.
We are here. Where is the white rice?
I only see brown rice and noodles.
This is very strange. The shelf is empty.
Maybe they sold all the white rice.
Let us ask a worker for help.
Excuse me, sir. Do you work here?
The worker is walking over to us.
We are looking for white rice.
He says there is more in the back room.
Oh, he is bringing a new box right now.
That is very lucky for us.
Thank you so much for your help.
Let us grab a bag of rice.
I will take the blue bag of white rice.
Now the list is almost fully checked off.
We only need some cleaning supplies. Situation 12. Buying cleaning supplies.
Let us listen.
We need dish soap to wash our plates.
The cleaning aisle is right here.
The smell is very strong in this aisle.
Yes, it smells like lemon and pine.
Look for the dish soap, please.
Here is a big bottle of lemon dish soap.
Let me smell it. It smells nice and fresh.
We also need some paper towels.
The paper towels are on the top shelf.
Do you want a pack of 2 or a pack of 4?
A pack of 4 will last longer.
I will put the pack of 4 in the cart.
Wait, do we have enough laundry soap at home?
I think we have enough for 1 more week.
We should buy a box today just in case.
Okay, here is the laundry powder.
Wow, this box is very heavy.
Be careful when you pick it up.
I can manage. I am very strong.
Do we need any window cleaner?
No, the windows are clean.
Are we finally done with the shopping list?
Let me read the whole list one more time.
Take your time.
Eggs, milk, bread, chicken, rice, fruit, vegetables.
And we got the snacks and the soap.
Yes, we have everything. We can pay now. Situation 13. Going to the checkout.
Let us listen.
Where are the checkout counters?
They're at the front of the store.
Look, there are so many people waiting to pay.
The lines are very long today.
Which line is the shortest?
I think line number 3 is shorter.
Let us go to line number 3.
Wait, that is an express line.
What does an express line mean?
It is only for people with 10 items or less.
Oh, we have a lot more than 10 items.
We cannot use the express line.
Let us try line number 5.
There are only 2 people in front of us here.
That is not too bad.
We can start putting our items on the belt.
Put the heavy things on the belt first.
Okay, the laundry soap and the water go first.
Then put the meat and vegetables.
Keep the bread and eggs for last.
Why do we keep them for last?
Because they can get crushed easily.
That is very smart. You are a good shopper.
We also need to put this plastic bar behind our items.
Yes, so the cashier knows where our items end.
The person in front of us is almost finished paying.
Get your wallet ready. Situation 14. Paying for the groceries.
Let us listen.
Good morning, how are you today?
The cashier says she is doing well.
She is scanning our items very fast.
Beep, beep, beep. I hear the scanner working.
We have a lot of items today.
Yes, the total price might be high.
She is scanning the apples now.
She puts the apples on the scale to weigh them.
Okay, she is scanning the last item, the bread.
That will be $85, please.
Wow, $85. We bought a lot.
How do you want to pay?
I will pay with my credit card.
The cashier asks if you want a receipt.
Yes, please print the receipt for me.
Insert your card into the machine.
I am putting the card in now.
It says processing. Please wait.
Do I need to type my PIN number?
Yes, type your 4 numbers and press green.
Okay, I did it. It says approved.
Great, the payment is done.
Here is the receipt. Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
We need to pack all these things into bags.
Let us move to the packing area.
Push the cart over to that table. Situation 15. Packing the bags.
Let us listen.
Did you bring our reusable bags from home?
Yes, I have 3 large cloth bags here.
That is good. Plastic bags are bad for nature.
How should we pack these things?
Put the heavy things at the bottom of the bag.
Okay, I am putting the juice and milk at the bottom.
Now you can put the meat and vegetables on top.
I will put the chicken and tomatoes in this bag.
Do not put the bananas with the heavy things.
I will put the fruit in the second bag.
The second bag has apples, oranges, and bananas.
Where should I put the bread and eggs?
Put them in the third bag. They need to be safe.
Okay, the bread and eggs are safe in bag 3.
What about the cleaning supplies?
Let us put the soap in a separate small plastic bag.
Why separate?
Because soap can leak onto the food.
That makes a lot of sense. Good thinking.
Okay, everything is packed in the bags.
Can you carry 2 bags? I will carry 1.
Yes, I can carry the 2 heavy bags.
You are very kind. Let us go to the car.
I will push the empty cart back to the store.
Thank you. Our shopping trip was very successful.
Now we can finally go home and cook dinner.
And we can watch our movie with snacks. Wow, that was a very busy trip to the supermarket.
We learned so many new English phrases today.
You learned how to make a shopping list.
You listened to us talk about fruits and vegetables.
You even heard how to ask for prices and pay.
These conversations are very helpful for daily life.
Now you can go shopping and speak in English.
Practice makes perfect. Try repeating the sentences.
If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button.
And make sure to hit subscribe for more lessons.
We post new videos on Real English Daily very often.
Tell us in the comments what you want to learn next.
We love reading your ideas and messages.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Have a great day and see you next time.
Goodbye everyone.